A shopkeeper gives two successive discounts of 8% and 12%. What is the overall discount? Now, to solve such kind of questions, we will see two methods. When there are two discounts, we can use a direct formula as well. The formula is A plus B minus AB by 100, where A and B are the two discounts. So in this case, we can assume A as 8 and B as 12. So 8 plus 12 minus 8 into 12 upon 100. So this comes out to be 20 minus 0.96. That is 19.04 percentage discount. Now this formula is applicable only if there are two discounts. Okay. Now there is another formula which we can use. In that method, we have to assume the marked price as 100 and selling price we have to find out. Now whatever selling price comes, if you subtract it from the marked price that is 100, that will give you the eventual discount. Now to find out this selling price, we can use a simple concept. Selling price will be equal to marked price into multiplier. Now this is the same concept as new number is equal to old number into multiplier. The old number is nothing but the marked price and the new number is nothing but the selling price. Now as there are two discounts, we will use M1 and M2. Okay. So selling price is equal to marked price, we have assumed it as 100 into M1 is 8% discount, so it will be 1 minus 8 by 100, and this will be 1 minus 12 by 100. So you will have your 100 into 92 upon 100 into 88 upon 100. So it will be 92 into 88 upon 100, which comes out to be, let's do the multiplication. So it comes out to be 8096 upon 100. So selling price we can say is 80.96. So selling price is 80.96. Let's subtract it from 100. The answer you will get will be 19.04. It's the same thing as we got from the first method.